Hello, this is Gloria, your resident hairstylist here at Yummy Extensions. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how I created a half up, half down style using our amazing vacation hair, the Raw Cambodian Curly Wave by Yummy Extensions. If you're interested in learning more about how I created this look, just keep on watching. Raw Cambodian Curly Wave texture is sourced from Cambodia. It has defined waves that form into beautiful ringlets, and it matches so well with 3B and 3C hair textures. Raw Cambodian Curly Wave has a medium to low luster, and it is thick from root to tip. As a professional hairstylist, this is why I love this collection. There you have it. Absolutely beautiful. I love this look. Be sure that you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. To shop this texture, visit us at yummyextensions.com. Thanks for being a yummy girl.